What's up guys? Today I have here a cosmic orange iPhone 17 Pro Max, and let's see what's inside the box. So as you can see, pretty thin box, so I don't expect too many things inside beside the phone. And here it comes, 17 Pro Max. Okay, and let's see what else is in the box. So it comes with a braided cable, which is of course type C, and that's about it. I don't see no charging brick or anything. It's just a cable and the box. Oh well, let's see how it goes. So when it comes to the size, is 6.9 inches Super Retina XDR OLED display with a ProMotion technology up to 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate. And let's remove this. Let it sit aside. So it's not bad. It looked pretty weird, you know, in pictures, the cosmic orange color. So let's turn it on. So it has a brightness up to 3000 nits peak outdoor brightness, which is not bad. And instead of titanium, the body is aluminum unibody with a ceramic shield back for enhanced durability. So it should not crack that easily, like the previous models. And for gamers, yeah, it has a cooling vapor chamber cooling system for higher sustained performance. Wow, so that's a good news for gamers if you're using iPhone 17 Pro Max. And of course it has a A19 Pro chip, which provides faster performance with a 6-core CPU and 6-core GPU. So as you can see, the battery is not fully charged. It's probably 75%. And it has 12 GB of RAM, which is available on the Pro models or Pro Max. And the storage goes up to 2 terabytes. That's the maximum storage. Okay, when it comes to camera, so the rear camera, a triple 48 megapixel fusion camera system for the main ultra wide and telephoto lenses. Now telephoto lenses up to 100 mm and 200 mm optics, offering 6x optical quality zoom and up to 40x digital zoom. So let's start it up in the meanwhile. So can't find my country in here because it's at the top. Okay, so you can choose the appearance, continue, and at this stage, if you wanna transfer data, you can transfer data from your older phone. And let's connect with the Wi-Fi. So there was not too many phones available in the market yet. You know, it's been released now for several weeks, but still it's not easy to find for some reason. Now, the front camera is 18 megapixel and with a square sensor and censored selfies and improved performance. That's what Apple claims for the front camera. It's asking for the update. Okay, update later. Continue. Hold. Set up later. So you can always skip to put the passcode if you don't want to put it in the beginning. Don't use passcode. Don't transfer anything. Even Apple ID, you don't have to put it in right now. You can always log in later. So It's asking about the updates and stuff. You can always update later and set up these things later. Now it has an operating system features iOS 16 like older, which includes Apple Intelligence for talks and the image creation and live translation. So set up eSIM. You can skip, continue, don't share with Apple, continue. Camera control. Okay, we'll figure it out later. Not now. Set up later, Siri, continue. And of course, it has 4 studio quality microphones in the phone. So people who do recording from the phones, you can use without microphone. And when it comes to durability test, it's IP rated 68 for water and dust resistance, which is, I guess, not bad. And of course, the battery is 5088 milliamp hour, and it's gonna last longer than the previous models. New camera design, continue, choose style, setup later. So as you can see, the picture quality is not actually bad. So I'll be making a detailed video, describing the camera and other features. Right now, I just wanted to show you this basic stuff. Now, I got these 2 cases. One is white, and I don't think it goes really good with it. And I have this orange color, and I think it looks perfect. It's a good quality case. So overall, let's see how the battery goes and other features. I'll be updating the software and I'll make another detailed video. And I guess I'll see you later.